show the right price to the customers based on their selected location. With location-specific pricing, you can set different prices for each location and show customers the correct price based on the store they choose. In this video, I will show you how location-specific pricing works. This feature lets you set different product prices for different store location. So first, go to WordPress dashboard, then hover over Location Manage, then click on Stock Central. From here, you can manage both stock and pricing for each location using two methods, Modern and Classic. In this example, we will use the Classic method. If you want to manage stock as well, you need to enable Manage Stock first. Here beside the product, you'll see fields where you can add location-specific prices. Now let's add different prices like $120 for California, for Culver City 110, and for Florida it would be 100, then Georgia for 105, and let's add Maryland for 100, and New Mexico for 125, and for Newark let's keep it 115. Now click the right icon to save the action. Now let's visit the product page to see how this works. When you change the store location, the product price will update based on the selected location. So this is how location-specific pricing helps you control product prices across different store locations and ensures customers always see the correct price. Set the right price for every store location.